1,000 block of Purtle. 1,000 block of Purtle. Send me units now. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
Help me.
41. We're in front of 1010 Purtle. Stage medics. First unit to get here, I need you to recover the gun. He dropped it just outside of Dodge Charger. Stay on the ground. Do not fucking move. Put your arms out to the side, Josh. Josh, put your arms out to the side. Hey, stay inside for me. Stay inside for me. It's somewhere on the ground. He pulled it out his waistband as he took off running. (4113), you copy traffic? Therefore, just make sure you copy traffic. Hey, keep an eye on that house too. Yeah, the Cyrus's house. 41, see if County and Tech City can send units out here. We got a large crowd starting to gather. Josh, talk to me. On log that 34 had to pick up the gun because we got a large crowd. Rob, please don't start, Rob. I'm gonna talk to you in a little bit, Rob.
I heard you say, I heard the gunshot, then I heard you talk about showing your hands. The gunshots fired first, then you talk about showing your hands. I heard that shit, man. I heard, Mom, then show me your hands. That's what fucked up shit.
Y'all back up. Y'all back up.
Shit, nigga. I heard that whole ass shit, nigga. I heard that shit, nigga. I heard you talk about a nigga. Wow. The first one to
41, I need units here quick. Step it up. I don't care where they come from. Y'all back up! Back up! Hey, first unit comes up, get that the guy in the white do-rag. Rob, he's the one instigating everything. I can't get Rob. Hey, Rob. Rob, I can't get medics here till y'all stop. Y'all just wait. Yeah, you go. You see this? I can't get medics over here till we get this figured out. He pulled out a gun. He got a couple felony warrants. He pulled a gun on me. When I get supervisor here, I'm gonna need y'all to determine if we need to bring the medics in or carry him out. All right, let's put him in cuffs. 10-4, have him staged. We got a large crowd right now. Hey, buddy. I can't hear what you're saying. I got a lot of screaming.